Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our English class. We have already discussed about active voice and passive voice. Now let's discuss how to change an interrogative sentence to passive form. Do you know what's an interrogative sentence? Yes, it's a question. As we know, there are different types of questions. Now let's see two types of questions. One is direct or question word questions and yes or no questions. Do you remember the rules to convert an active sentence to passive? Let's revise. First one is identify the subject, object and verb. And the second rule is swap subject to object and object to the subject. Next, third rule, convert verb to its past participle form. Then fourth rule, add proper helping verb before main verb. And the rule number 5, add preposition by before subject. Children, through these steps, we can convert one active sentence to passive form. We learn our lessons daily. It's an active sentence. Let's convert it into passive form. Step number 1. Identify the subject, verb and object. In this sentence, we is the subject, learn verb and our lessons object. Step number 2. Swap subject to the object and object to the subject. That is, we in the place of object and our lessons in the place of subject. Then we change to us. Step number 3. Verb change to its past participle form. Here the verb is learn and change it into learnt. Step number 4. Add proper helping verb before main verb. For that, identify the tense of the sentence. Here the verb form is learn. So we can say it's a simple present tense. And the object is our lessons. So the suitable helping verb is are. Step number 5. Add the preposition by before the subject. Then listen the passive sentence. Our lessons are learnt by us daily. Through the same way, we can convert questions. The first, convert the question into a statement and repeat all these 5 steps. And after that, again change this to question. Listen this example. Does he write a letter? First we can convert this into statement. He writes a letter. Then we can convert this into passive form. A letter is written by him. Then again change this into question. Is a letter written by him? Listen some more examples. See the next sentence. Did the cat kill the mouse? It's an active question. So first we can convert this into assertive sentence. The cat killed the mouse. Then change it into passive form. The mouse was killed by the cat. Then we can change it into passive question. Was the mouse killed by the cat? Next example. Have you finished work? That's an active question. So first we can change it into assertive sentence. You have finished work. Then change it into passive form. Work has been finished by you. Then we can change it into passive question. Has work been finished by you? Now let's go through the WH questions. That is, Questions start with question words like why, what, how, which, who, and whom. When we converting these into passive form, the question words like why, what, how, and which are not changed. And who become by whom, and whom become who. Let's see the example. Why did you write a letter? We can add one more step to convert this. That is the first step. Remove the question word. Then you will get did you write a letter? Then repeat other all steps. That is, we can convert this into statement form. You wrote a letter. Step number 3. A letter was written by you. That is in passive form. Then convert this into question form. Was a letter written by you? Finally, we can add the question word also. Why was a letter written by you? Come to the next example. When were you playing chess? Step number 1. Remove the question word when. Then you will get were you playing chess. Then we can change it into statement form. You were playing chess. Next, we can change it into passive form. Chess was being played by you. Then convert it into question form. Was chess being played by you? Finally, we can add the question word again. When was chess being played by you? Thank you.